So I have 3 lawnmowers, and yeah, this is the third one. So my plan is to make from these 3 one working, because this engine was working and then it just stopped. So I'm going to try to fix this and put it in this or this. So yeah, let's start. So I was trying to get the carburetor off, and then I saw that it is broken. Like, I don't know what it is, but it's broken. So yeah, so now we have to get that piece from this. So today we got the carburetor getting off and found the broken piece from the parts mower. So yeah, for today it's day 2 and I cleaned the carburetor with this, and now we need to get the frame of the mower. So we need to get this engine off this frame, but these bolts are really rusty, so we're gonna spray it with rust removal and see what happens. So this screw is really like, yeah, messed up, so I don't know what to do now. So this wire snapped right here, and now we need to find a new wire and connect them. So we got on the new piece and we are starting to assemble it whole now. So this is the first part of wiring. My cousin made this, so yeah. So the wiring is done. I hope it works. We'll now test it. So before we start it, we need to check the fluids, if there's any gas or oil. Oh, let's check if there is enough oil. Yes, there is. And now we need to fill up the gas tank. So we check the fluids and fill the gas tank. Now we can go outside and attempt to start it. So now let's attempt to start it. First we need to put some fuel in the carburetor. So 1, 2, 3 until it pumps in. Okay, let's attempt to start it. Attempt number 2 of starting this engine. Sorry? Pietram varbūt tā ar roku viņa. O, kas? Aizskries?
Gandrīz.
O? sauju vaļā, jo tā kā, nu, es negribu, lai man viņš Attempt number 3. Start. So it started and I don't know what happened, so let's try again. So let's some fuel in it and start. Attempt number 4, normal running. Sorry?